There are three types of protections you can set up on your Google Ad Manager account: ad content, competition, and inventory exclusion. Let's go ahead and dive right in with each of them. First, ad content. Give your protection a name. Here you can decide whether to target all of your inventory or only specified inventory. If you select this, you need to click Add Targeting. For example, I select Inventory Targeting. I then have to click it and specify which inventory I'd like to target. You can add as many targeting criteria as necessary. Here, you can block specific advertisers or brands or custom labels. So for example, I'd like to block a specific advertiser or brand. You have two options. If you choose the first one, block the following advertisers or brands, all that you select from the list will be blocked. If you select the second option, you are basically saying block all advertisers or brands except the ones that you will select. So this is the opposite of the first option. So everything you select here with the second option will be allowed. The next type of protection is competition. Give your protection a name. For targeting, you can also protect all inventory or only target specific inventory. If you don't click here, it will target all inventory by default. If you'd like to specify your targeting here on certain ad units, select them. If you select multi-group block for exclusion type, you're able to declare or say that if you're showing certain categories or advertisers or brands, block these categories or advertisers or brands. If you uncheck that, you can only select which categories, advertisers, or brand to block. For example, I select multi-group block and I'll say if showing arts and entertainment, then I'd like to block, let's say, beauty and personal care. What happens now is that for these ad units I selected, if one of them shows an ad that falls under this category, then the rest cannot show anything that falls under this category. The next type of protection is inventory exclusion. Same thing, give your protection a name. For targeting, you can either protect all inventory or target all of your inventory or only specified inventory. If you select the second option, make sure to add targeting. Select the targeting criteria here or parameter as needed. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and target a specific country. And let's say I'll target United States. Let me add another targeting parameter as an example. I'll target inventory in a specific ad unit. What happens now is that this ad unit and this geo will be excluded from the ad exchange open auction. This is usually helpful if you have ad units, for example, that are running on pages with violations. And if you're aware that those pages have violations, but you don't have any other options and would like instead to prevent ad exchange from serving there to avoid getting your account banned, then this could be an option.